Hello, everybody. So in this intermediate stand-up, right, I will be your Scrum Master, and my name is Jin Man. So we start our stand-up meeting with an update. Okay, let me share screen first. So this is our agenda. Our first intermediate stand-up will be discuss the minor change request by ETW Corporation Limited and update the backlog. Then check the status which we have located in the initial stand-up and prioritize and assign the updated task and discuss about the details for next intermediate stand-up. So I've actually sent a PDF in our WhatsApp group about things we need to make change. Have a look. Here. So basically, it's an update about the change in requirement request by ETW Corporation Limited. And basically, I have summarized into here. So the minor change requested shouldn't be take too long, meaning that if the change requested by the user, uh, the change we have to adopt is basically here an additional tab called balance sheet to share the relevant metrics, an invoice that display all the information and work with their BI team and publish the prototypes. So basically, we are actually told to make several changes, and here is the change. You guys can have a look first. Then, do you think it's possible to change all the things? Since he mentioned we have to discuss the feasibility, means that whether we think this all the four changes requested is practicable or not, wouldn't affect our our deadline or something.
In my opinion, I think that having these four change is a bit too much for us because I think Qi Ren, he has like assignments also, and I have assignments also this week. So I think that it is a bit impossible to complete all of these changes.
Okay, so completely agree. So to summarize what Tiffany said just now, so we shouldn't do all because we have the deadline and can adopt some minor change so and satisfy some of their user requirement. How much changes do you guys think we should make?
Uh,
Jiren?
I think of all the factors mentioned, I think that the best would be number two, the invoices tab, because I think that one will complement well with the remaining tabs, such as the financial performance and the cash. And I think it's quite reasonable for us to do that, given that it wouldn't take so much time. And what do you guys think about it?
Actually, my thought is same as yours because for the balance sheet, right, we don't have enough information. Then the invoice tab should be quite close with what we have to do initially.
Yeah, I agree because we can access the data from the CSV file as well. So I think number two is a good choice. We should focus on number two.
Okay, then we accept this invoice that display all the information from the invoice report as a table lah.
Yeah. And one more thing to add, I think that number three is impossible because it is a bit in conflict with our work, because working with another department is actually out of our scope. So I think for number three, it's actually impossible for us to deal with it because it's out of our scope.
Okay. Or do you mean by the assignment PDF here?
Yes. Yeah.
So initially our team is not focused on working with others, like working with other department is not included at all. And also for the points for also he mentioned we need to publish. They wish us to publish the product to their online report server. So do we have the access to their server or something we have to do? So with reference to the up of scope here, they expressly mentioned that no online server or no other platform. So in my personal opinion, I don't think it's practicable for us to do like Tiffany said and my opinion about point 3 and 4. How do you guys think?
Yeah, I totally agree that we are not supposed to do 3 and 4 because it's out of our scope.
Okay, then we just pick up one and we agree to pick up the invoice tab that display all the information we need. So let's go to our campaign board. Then have an update for here. And we agree to add an invoice. Then we create a visuals for invoice tab. So do you think we have to create a mock-up design for invoice tab as well?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. So create visual mock-up design with invoice publish. So we make it here. This our meeting is done for discuss a minor change. So let's check the status in the initial standout what we discussed.
Oh, can I ask who is going to do the minor change?
What do you mean by do the?
I mean, who will be
no.
doing?
We will discuss the status first, and we prioritize and assign after they done their update progress.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So initial stand up, right? So working task basically is an update of progress. And did the person make any change and blocker or need any help? Because sometimes they might need some help from ScrumMaster. Okay, so plan data schema is for all and load flat files is stream 1, create relationship is also stream 1. So I will be sharing another about my progression update. So do you guys see my Power BI?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's similar to what the appendix B we have in our assignment. So it's a calendar, then create a relationship with Zero PL and Zero bank summary and also invoice. So basically I didn't make so much challenge except for the data format, but I can solve it myself, luckily. Okay, so share another screen. So here I can update my to be plan data schema, look at the appendix, look at the CSV file as complete. And also I load the flat file with an updated one and update the downloaded done and download the CSV from Moodle also done and create the relationship just now I have shown you my result also done. So we move it as a completed. So we have cleared our working now and gonna discuss about to prioritize and assign the updated tasks. So we pick up some in our backlog. And here D1, right, just now is same as just now I shown you. Hold on here. So I think we done this for the scope requirement with end user. How do you guys think?
Yeah, we already done with that.
We move it as completed and okay. Mockup design. So mockup design, right? I think mockup design with invoice step and discuss the visual discuss and design the visual should be both since we have a great visual finance performance here and cash position here. So I think this one should be edited as like mockup design with financial performance. Financial. And same as here, lookup design. Design with cash.
Okay.
We have to prioritize and assign the updated task. How do you guys think? I think the design should be prioritized. So, do you guys agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I
Because we
agree.
have to do the markup designs in order to do other tasks. We have to finish markup designs to start another task.
Okay, then we move it as a working one.
Okay. I can take up the one for markup design with financial performance.
Then you comment at the partner link, say that you can take up.
Alright. Okay.
How about Qi Ren?
Yeah, I can take up the task.
For invoices.
Yeah, I can invoice.
Okay.
Then should I in there? Okay, thank you.
And you comment below as well, so we will know.
Okay, can.
Okay, Tiffany. Then I take up the mockup design with cash on. Jin Man. So we have discussed and prioritized the task. And let's see anything else.
I can take up the financial performance tab, and which is under D4, create visual for financial performance. I can complete these two tasks. So I will insert my name under those.
Okay.
Tasks.
So corresponding to mockup design with cash, so I will take out the create visuals for cash position, which is D5 and cash movement tab here mentioned in opening, closing, and cash movement on time and AR and AP table. Then children will take out the invoice tab create visual can.
And I think, yeah, we will meet in the next few days and I will lead the meeting. Yeah.